Oh my god, he tried to take Larry out. So we got prime Larry Bird. Nah, Larry Bird was a crash out, yo. Yo, Larry Bird stood on business. That's Dr. J he beating on. Behind the back. Good pass. If y'all ain't know, Bird probably one of the most underrated passers ever. A turnaround jump shot? Bird. From behind the backboard. Whoa. They try to say Bird not athletic. Bro, his IQ is, he's literally a 6'10 Luka, a 6'10 Jokic, bro. Behind his, he made Hakeem look the other way. Yo. He dropped him. Is that Dominique?